Hey everyone, welcome back to Excel CELPIP. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss an update. Today, we're diving into a topic that many of you have been asking about: why you might want to choose CELPIP over IELTS for your English language testing needs. Both CELPIP and IELTS are popular English proficiency tests, but they cater to different needs and preferences. So let's break down why CELPIP might be the better choice for you. If you're planning to move to Canada or apply for Canadian immigration, CELPIP could be your go-to test. Why? CELPIP is specifically designed to reflect the language used in Canadian workplaces and daily life. This means you'll get questions and scenarios that are more relevant to Canadian culture and communication styles. On the other hand, IELTS is more internationally oriented, so its content is less tailored to Canada. CELPIP is known for its convenience. It's a computer-based test, which means all sections, listening, reading, writing, and speaking, are done on a computer at the test center. The speaking test is integrated into the computer-based format, so you'll speak into a computer microphone rather than having a face-to-face interview with an examiner. For many, this can be less intimidating and more straightforward. IELTS, on the other hand, requires you to take the speaking test in person, which some test takers find stressful. CELPIP has a reputation for being a bit shorter in duration. The CELPIP general test lasts about 3 hours, while IELTS can stretch up to 3 hours and 40 minutes, including the speaking test. This shorter duration of CELPIP can make it a less exhausting experience overall. One of the biggest advantages of CELPIP is the speed at which you receive your results. CELPIP results are usually available within 3 to 5 business days. IELTS results can take up to 13 days, so if you're on a tight timeline, CELPIP might be the better option. In terms of cost, CELPIP and IELTS are quite comparable, but it's always a good idea to check the current fees in your area. Sometimes CELPIP can be slightly less expensive, which is a bonus if you're budget conscious. Be sure to check local test centers for the most accurate and up-to-date pricing. CELPIP offers a variety of preparation resources, including free practice tests and study materials that are easily accessible online. You can find the most standard practice test on our Excel CELPIP YouTube channel. While IELTS also provides a range of study materials, CELPIP's resources are tailored specifically to their test format, which can be incredibly helpful. So there you have it, 6 reasons why CELPIP might be the right choice for you over IELTS. Of course, the best choice will depend on your specific needs and goals, but hopefully, this helps you make an informed decision. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with friends who might be deciding between CELPIP and IELTS. And if you have any questions or need more advice, drop them in the comments below. I love hearing from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep studying and stay motivated.